You can go on eBay, make a listing for your item, and sell it on there. Of course, you are going to have the same, just like with Etsy and many of the others that I've mentioned before, with listing fees and transaction fees and commission, but it is an option to post your items on eBay and make the majority of that money from selling on there. Another way that you can be able to make money from your hobby is to go on to Teespring. If it's a digital item, you can list it on Teespring and have it on a landing page or a store on there to be able to sell as well. If you do t-shirt designs, you could be able to take that artwork, put it onto merch on there, whether it's a t-shirt, a hoodie, leggings, stickers, phone cases, towels, tapestries, canvas. You can put your items on there for sale and be able to make the money there. The best part about Teespring is you do not have to pay any money right up front. You list it on your store, and then upon sale of the item, they take the cost of the item that you're doing and they take their chunk and give you the remainder of the profits.